First of all, on behalf of His Excellency President President Barrow, we want to thank you for the honor. Once again, as you know, I had the honor of launching the forum in Banjul on behalf of the President. So it's like striking twice. It is with profound honor and a deep sense of responsibility that I join you today for the New York launch of the Sahel Governance Report, a flagship outcome of our collective efforts to chart a new course of governance in our region. The Sahel stands at a crossroads. Our region is blessed with abundant natural and human resources, a youthful population, rich agricultural land, and immense energy potential. Yet, as the report before us reveals, this promise remains unfulfilled, overshadowed by persistent insecurity, recurrent coups, weak institutions, and a crisis of public trust. The Sahel Governance Report, the product of regional consultations and research, is both a mirror and a roadmap. It reflects the structural weaknesses in justice, transparency, and public sector delivery that have eroded the social contract between states and citizens. But more importantly, it offers a vision for renewal, a governance paradigm rooted in citizen participation, dignity, justice, and inclusion. Today we are called not only to reflect, but to act. The Gambia is proud to have hosted the inaugural Sahel Governance Forum in Banjul, where over 300 leaders, youth, and civil society actors gathered to reaffirm our commitment to inclusive governance and to launch this very report. Our discussions underscored the urgent need to restore trust, invest in local leadership, and anchor our institutions in the realities and aspirations of our people. As leaders, we must recognize that the challenges facing the Sahel are not merely security or humanitarian in nature. They are fundamentally about governance.